Let's clean and maintain a meerschaum pipe. Hi, this is John from Switzerland, and in today's video I'd like to show you how I clean and maintain my meerschaum pipes. So that's important for me to say again, I like to do it that way. That's no presentation of a golden rule here or something, and I won't and I can't tell you how to handle your stuff. So just have a look at how I do it and then decide if this method also works for you. Let's get started. I know the saying goes business before pleasure, but fortunately in this case it is vice versa, because before I can clean my meerschaum pipe, of course I have to enjoy it first, and that can take quite a while. After finishing my bowl, I handle my meerschaum pipe like every other pipe. I don't wait until the pipe is cold. I empty the bowl right away, remove the filter, clean the mouthpiece, the stem, and also wipe through the bowl. Then I insert a new filter and that's it. When it comes to the maintenance of my meerschaum pipes, and I usually do this approximately every 30 smokes, a lot more equipment is necessary. I have a little bowl with warm water, pipe cleaners, a transfer pipette which I use to carefully wet the pipe cleaner with some alcohol, a very smooth toothbrush which I use to apply the wax on the bowl, especially on this one because it is a rusticated one, and with that brush I can rub in the wax everywhere very well. Then I use a piece of cotton, like from an old shirt, a piece of paper towel, but a thicker one, which does not absorb too much, 70% alcohol, ballistol oil, lip balm for the pipe rubber bit to keep it soft, and it also helps to get it back on the mouthpiece much more easier. A cork to close the bowl before applying the wax and to prevent the liquid wax I use from getting into the pipe bowl, and the liquid beeswax. First of all, I wipe the pipe bowl with a cotton cloth with clear, warm water from the outside and dry it off. Then I take my transfer pipette and some alcohol and moisten several pipe cleaners with the alcohol to clean the mouthpiece from the inside. I will do this until the pipe cleaners come out clean. I always bend the cleaners before I get them in because then it's easier. When this is done, I remove the pipe rubber bit . Take my ballistol oil, only 1 or 2 drops, and start cleaning the mouthpiece from the outside until it shines nicely. The pipe rubber bit is only briefly cleaned in warm water.
right. Then I take some lip balm, front, back, a little bit on the outside so that it stays soft, and push it back onto the mouthpiece, which is very easy then. Then it's time for the bowl. I take the cork and close the pipe bowl so that no liquid wax can get into the pipe bowl. Take the toothbrush and rub in the liquid beeswax thoroughly everywhere, but not too thick. Then you can see that the bowl is covered with a layer of the beeswax, and I let it dry for approximately 40 minutes. Then the wax is mostly well absorbed everywhere, and I wipe the bowl again a little bit, and you can see also the discoloring is coming out very nicely. So what about the inside of the pipe bowl? Well, here as you can see I don't have a really thick cake here which has to be removed, but imagine there would be a thick cake now. So what can you do to remove it? First of all, most important thing, you never ever take a pipe reamer for the meerschaum pipe. Never. That's only for wooden pipes. So I like to use sandpaper, very smooth sandpaper, 400 or even 800, and wrap it around my finger, and then rub the pipe bowl carefully from the inside until the cake layer has been reduced to about 1 millimeter. And that's it. Thanks for watching, subscribing and commenting. Until next time, bye, says John from Switzerland.